What's going on, YouTube? Phil here with BLP3 Motors. Today I got my boy Tanner with me, and we're going to be doing a exhaust comparison video. My 2019 GT Mustang is completely stock. It's got the active exhaust on it though. And then Tanner, what's on your car, man?
Texas speed, long tube headers, X-pipe, full straight pipe back.
So pretty much a freaking straight pipe setup. And so we're going to start my car, and then we're going to rev it a couple times. We're going to start his car and rev it a couple times, and then you guys can figure out what the difference is. And it's really loud, but you also have the ghost cam tune on it, right? Yep. So it sounds really good. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's do this. Go ahead and start it. All right, give it a couple revs. Rev it like you mean it. There you go. Cool. All right, he's gonna unleash the beast. And that is why we don't do that in a neighborhood. That's why we're out in this abandoned parking lot. Dude, that is loud as crap, man. I like pissing y'all off in the neighborhood. His cold starts are freaking out. He actually lives a couple houses down from me, but that's insane. That's a huge difference. So is there any drone when you're up to speed? What do you mean? Like when you're driving, is there like a drone from how loud it is? No, there's no drone? No, there's no quiet. That's crazy. That is so loud. So I mean, you pretty much redline that though, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's as loud as it could possibly get. That's insane. That's so loud. Well, there you guys go. So that's pretty much the sound difference between a completely stock GT Mustang and a pretty much straight pipe Mustang GT. That is insane. I don't know if I'm gonna go that loud. Probably not the straight pipe loud, but I mean, I have the active exhaust on my car, and so if I do something like, I probably want to do either want to do Borla attacks or the Corsa Extremes, but I want to do them with the active exhaust. Yeah, so that way, because my car starts in quiet mode. Right. That's how it's set up. Just because I'd rather it be always quiet when it starts, and then I can switch into the track mode and then kind of do that. But that is a crazy, crazy difference. But bro, thank you so much for being on the channel, showing your beautiful Mustang. But tell me guys, what you guys think of the comments. Do you think that was too loud? And actually, I don't know how loud it is on the mic. I'm pretty sure it just like freaking fried the whole camera. I had to step back. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. That was pretty insane. But love you guys, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.